Okay, what do you say we get started something cool? This is the program I use called Vector Conspire. What I'm going to do is create a new file. It's already set up 10.5 by 10.5 by 3/4 inch thick. I'm going to put my XY datum in the center and at the material surface. Standard definition modeling. Hit OK. Now I'm going to go to the internet and find me a cool picture that I like, which I've already done. And yeah, I'm just going to drag this in there. Well, I said I was. Copy image. It's not working because of my recording software. I can paste it. There we go. Now we're going to trace the bitmap. Keep it in black and white. Turn the colors down. Just until it shows up good. Like right there. Corner fit, we want tight, noise filter level. Bitmap fading doesn't really matter. We'll fade it all the way out in preview. And that looks fair. That looks very fair. Okay. Now we're going to apply that and close. I'm going to click on the bitmap and delete it. So now we're just left with the vectors, which are grouped together because I didn't uncheck the group box. Now I'm going to resize it to 10.5 inches. 10.5. Wing X and Y and apply. Now I'm going to hit Control U to ungroup. Wait, I'm going to close it first. Hit Control U to ungroup it. And hit Shift and click on the outside line. I'm going to hit Control G to group it again. Okay. I'm going to leave this line on the outside for profiling to cut this sign out. Alright, so we got our picture in here and we got it traced. Now I just need to click on one of these vectors and set the toolpaths. Okay, we want to do the carving. Start at 0. We want a flat depth of 0.1 inch using a 60-degree 1/4 inch speed bit. And I do want to use a flat area clearance tool. It's going to be an ML 8 inch. I'm going to use climb. I'm going to rank my plunge nose twice as wide as my bit. Okay, calculate. Preview visible toolpath. This is the pocket. Okay. This is the V carve. Look it over real good. Make sure we like it. And we save it to the flash drive and we're ready to go. Let's see, how long is this going to take? This is going to take 28 minutes to carve. I'm going to go over here and save our toolpaths. I'll see you out at the machine. And switch bits. Do our V carving. Okay, we got our V bit zeroed out on our surface. And we're ready to start our V carvings. Okay, I've changed bits to the 1/4 inch 2 flute end mill. Changed my speeds. This is the scary part. Here's what we got. Well, here it is, guys. Prayer. The best way to meet the Lord. But effing with my tools will get you there faster. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching. And I appreciate it. Y'all have a good one.